My name's Chris and I like listening to music. I'm going to listen to Rome Streetz and Conductor Williams Trainspotting. In an ocean of rap, it's difficult to stand out, but this did. You know, the quality you would expect from the two, dark yet, fun in places. Well worth 10 listens of anybody's time. On first listen, I gave it 8 out of 10. I think that's about right. Let's see what the 10th listen brings. Track 1, the wonderfully named Agassi. Lovely sample from the start from an old TV show or something, then a mad old beat with a great hook, dark and dirty, effortless in many ways, but you know that the effort has gone in. He's always on point, Rome Streetz, and yeah, just over too quick at 90 seconds, 10 out of 10. Track 2, Mash. It all sounds a little bit drunk, but with real clarity. You feel the streets in there, the struggle and the menace. It's not party time for sure, but essential listening, 8 out of 10. Track 3, Runny Nose. Ghostly chorus, voices in the background, great bass line. Yeah, it's not that beaty, but it's beaty enough to get your head bopping. Great chemistry again between the two, chock full of atmosphere. They just go by too quick. Every song is like 2 minutes and you have to be in a rush. 8 out of 10. Track 4, Ricky Bobby. Another amazing sample, stretched and pulled apart to become something else. Fun yet disturbing at the same time. Got a Wu-Tang Clan feel to it, which is not surprising as Method Man is in there. Always a pleasure to hear him and he's on great form. The big age difference between the two, but you wouldn't tell. Absolutely nails it. 9 out of 10, highlight. Track 5, Blood in His Boogers. Now I've thought of it, there is a real connection with Wu-Tang Clan. They've obviously been a big influence. Yeah, this is impactful, meaningful. Album's got a great flow now. An argument that it's a bit samey, but if it sounds like this, what's wrong with being the same? It's great. 9 out of 10. Track 6, Rule 4080. A lighter beat, not unlike A Tribe Called Quest, which has got a reference to in the song lyric and the title. Yeah, no less harder hitting though. Lovely bit of gospel at the end. Another 9 out of 10, 3 in a row I think. Track 7, Died 1,000 Times. Stepping back with that snare just gives it lots of room to breathe. Yeah, I like it when he does that. A nearly perfect example of what he does well. And I think this is when he works really, really well. So a real highlight for me, 10 out of 10. That'll do for this half of the album. I'll do the last 7 tracks in another review. Hope you enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe.